guys, we are making banana cake. Here you go. Excuse me. There you go. Cute girl. Excuse me, Ava. Thank you. Mash, 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 mash. You want to put the milk?
Yes.
Okay, here, help Mama. Okay, all done. Lift slowly. Well done, Ava.
Oh no.
Oh no, it's okay, baby. Okay.
This one up there.
Yes. Okay, what's next is the
This
oil.
one.
Okay, you pour the oil then. 1/4 cup of oil. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Well done, Ava. Okay, just a little bit. Well done. Butter. And mix it. You want to crack the egg?
Yes.
Give me your hand.
No, this one.
Okay, this one too. Wow. Okay, mix the egg. Mix. Good girl. Now we put some vanilla. Vanilla. Thank you.
This one sugar.
Sugar, okay.
All done.
More sugar.
Okay.
Hold it properly. Well done. Yes.
Yeah.
Flour. Okay, you put that in.
Okay.
Okay. Well done.
I'm making butter.
Baking powder. Well done. One moment, please.
Okay.
Go. Put it in. Well done. Okay, one more powder. Ava. Good girl. Well done. Okay, now we can mix. Can you smell? How does it smell?
That's mine.
Good. Whose cake is this for?
Daddy.
Daddy.
Ava.
Daddy and Ava.
Mama.
And Mama, yes. Thank you, Ava. That's so sweet. What's Daddy's name?
Tommy.
What's Mommy's name?
Pieces.
What's your name?
Over there.
Say Mommy, please.
Mommy, please.
Okay, good girl. Okay, here you go.
Ava.
Wow, well done. Okay, here you go.
Eating.
Okay, eating. Well, we have to bake it first.
Okay.
Say all done.
I'm done.
Say bye-bye.
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 I touched it.
Yeah, you touch it.
If I touch it.
Wow.
Oh.
Yeah, Mama and Ava cut the cake.
Doggy. Oh, doggy cake.
Daddy's cake.
So many people's cake.
So many people's cake. Can you taste some?
Yes.
Mm.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Like this.
Mom.
Mwah.